In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product filtering in Shopify. Start by installing the Search and Discovery app from the Shopify App Store. In your Shopify admin, open the Apps section, use the search bar at the top to look for Search and Discovery, and install the app provided by Shopify. The installation is straightforward and will ask for the usual app permissions. If you don't see the app immediately, double-check your account access and store region. Then refresh the page after installation so the app appears in your admin menu. Once the app is installed, open it from your Shopify admin to add and configure filters. Inside the app, go to the Filters area and choose the option to add a new filter. Select a source for the filter such as price, product type, or color, depending on what will help customers narrow their choices. You can rename the filter to something more user-friendly, for example, changing product type to product category. Take a moment to adjust settings for each filter. Decide whether customers can select multiple values, how options should be sorted, and whether certain values should be hidden or highlighted. Save the filter when you're done, and repeat this process for every filter you want to offer. A good rule of thumb is to prioritize the most useful filters for your audience and avoid overwhelming customers with too many choices. After you've created filters in the app, enable them in your theme so shoppers actually see them on collection pages. From Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active theme. In the Theme Customizer, open a collection page and look in the left-hand sidebar for the collection grid or collection template settings. Enable the filter option there. Some themes will automatically embed the Search and Discovery app, while others may require you to toggle an embedding option. Make sure the filter panel is visible on both desktop and mobile views, and adjust layout or spacing as needed to match your store's design. When everything looks right, click Save. Finally, preview the storefront to test the filters in real conditions. Try different combinations, check mobile responsiveness, and confirm filters return accurate results. If something doesn't behave as expected, return to the app to tweak settings. With the app installed, filters configured, and theme updated, your customers will have a much easier time finding the products they want.